Hi everyone, Keenan here from EVZ Projects. Yesterday we did an installation in Johannesburg. Come along and see how it is done. So what we're doing now is we are digging to try and find the main line from the municipality so that we can connect the borehole water to the main line, but there will be a valve so that when you close the municipality water and then you can just open your borehole water. Okay, so what we always do is we apply thread tape to ensure that there are no leaks. This cable that I'm running now is going to be the power supply for the borehole and for the booster pump. Okay, now the pump is going into the ground and we have water. We're done with the installation and I'm going to show you how it looks.